Good morning, children. Welcome back to our class. Today we are going to see Unit 1 Affection Appa. Children, affection is a feeling of liking and caring for someone or something. For example, parents are so affectionate with their children because they care for us and love us. Kirekuppam was a small coastal village near Nagapattinam. Even though the people in the village toiled in the seas every day, they lived happily. It was a pleasant Sunday morning in December. Just like any other day, the villagers had started their routine. A few of them had already left to the sea, and the others were preparing to go to sea. Meena's family was also at the shore to see off her father going to the sea. After the men sailed into the sea, the women would return to other tasks that need their attention. The children would play under the many coconut trees in the village. The village bell was about to strike 8 times. The bell caretaker was ready to ring the bell. At that time, he saw that the seawater had receded a few hundred meters. Soon, many in the village noticed the same. All the children and the villagers started running towards the sea. Meena and her mother were also with them. The seawater continued to recede. All had gathered along the shore to see it. The bell hit 8 times. People now saw a wave far away in the sea. Excitedly, they pointed to the wave that was rising high in the sea. It was common for people to be excited by big waves in Kirekuppam. Everyone was getting ready to brace the big wave that was coming towards them. Little did they know that the wave was increasing in height and it seems to touch the sky as it neared them. It was now getting closer to the shore with the row, gazing at the wave far away. Meena's mother felt a sudden fear gripping her. She felt that something was wrong. She caught Meena by her hand and started running towards their home. The wave came closer to the shore, had crushed the fishing boats. Before they reached their home, the powerful wave had hit the village. Meena and her mother could hear their friends and family screaming all around them. The seawater entered the village and washed out the huts and boats. The water hit their hut too. Meena and her mother were separated and thrown off. Then slowly the water receded again into the sea. Meena's mother gathered herself and searched for Meena. At that time, the second massive wave hit the village. Meena's mother was washed away by the wave. Meena whirled through the water, struggling to breathe. One moment she was inside the water and all was dark around her. In the next, she could see the sky. The wave banged her to the trunk of a coconut tree. She wrestled the wave. And family hugged the tree. Soon she fainted. When she woke up, she was in the hospital. After she recovered, they transferred her to the rehabilitation center. The center housed nearly 99 boys and girls. A kind-hearted official of the center was always very kind to the children. He often used to visit them with his family. Meena was the youngest of all and soon was loved by all. The in-charge man and his wife often carried Meena while they play with other children. All children used to call them Amma and Appa. After 3 years, the official was transferred. He and his family continued to visit the center once a year for the next 5 years. Meena now opened her eyes. Her cheeks were moist. All this seemed like it happened yesterday. The school bell rang and Meena wiped her cheeks to get ready for her English class. Meena was good at studies and now was in the 12th standard. The teacher was teaching and Meena was writing her notes. She then heard a familiar voice calling her Meenu. She raised her head to see. She was surprised to see her father. The official standing at the entrance, he was smiling at her. She stared at him blankly for a few seconds with tears rolling down her cheeks. She jumped out her bench and dashed towards him calling Appa. Children, in this story, we saw there is no relationship between the officer and the children. But the officer was so affectionate with the children. So children, from this story, you can learn how to show care and affection towards others. Okay children, hope you all like the story Appa. Hard words. Receded. Go or move back. Massive. Large or heavy. Whirled. To move rapidly, round and round. Banged. To strike forcefully and noisily. Fainted. To lose consciousness. Rehabilitation. The action of restoring someone after a damage. Blankly. Without expression. Hostel. The land near a shore. Recovered. Returned to a normal state of health. Sailed. To travel on water in a ship. Dear children, learn and write the hard words and send it to my private chat. Thank you children.